Hey guys, today we're checking out the second Nomadik quarterly subscription box for 2023. That's next. Welcome to Backcountry Renegade. I'm Jeff. This channel is all about backcountry adventures and all the gear in between. If you're into those things too, consider subscribing. Today we are unboxing the second quarterly subscription box from Nomadik. Now, if you have not heard of Nomadik, they are a premium outdoor retailer that helps you find the latest gear from the best brands while also saving you money. They have a ton of different box theme options that are curated around different interests and seasons. You can buy via subscription, monthly or quarterly, or even a one-time buy. This one here is the quarterly subscription box. It sells for $150 per quarter, and you're guaranteed to get at least $200 worth of gear. This is a second quarterly subscription box for 2023, and the theme is Cozy Camper. So let's open it up and check out what's inside. I'm going to be using my Benchmade North Fork knife. This is a nice knife I like to use for hunting and backpacking. All right, so let's check out what's inside here. And as you can see, looks like some pretty cool gear. Now, this has the pamphlet, of course, and in the pamphlet, you're gonna have all your gear listed out here and some of the uses for it, as well as some Nomadik tips and tricks, as well as some brand discount codes here on the back if you wanted to purchase additional gear from them. So looks like we have a Kylmite pillow, looks pretty cool. We also have, oh cool, nice, a hammock here. So a Trunk Tech hammock. This is an ultralight kind of hammock here, and also comes with the trunk straps for the hammock, so you can go ahead and attach it to a tree. Looks like we have this inflatable light mobile charging power bank here. So this will be pretty neat to test out. We also have this Sasquatch camp card game here. Looks like it also has like this match striking part here on the back. I don't know if that's real or not. We'll open it up to check it out. And looks like we also have from Ursa Major some skincare products. So we'll check those out. So I'm going to lay those out and we'll check them out in detail. All right, so the first thing we have here is the Grand Trunk Tech single hammock. This is a hammock that is meant for one person. It looks like it's a pretty nice ultra soft hammock. It says has a capacity of up to 500 pounds. It's lightweight at only 15 ounces, and you have 40D microgrid ripstop nylon that's woven together, and it's also weatherproof as well. This hammock will stretch out to about 11 feet long, and it's about 4 feet 11 inches wide as well. The hammock stuffs nicely into the stuff sack here, and you have a nice little cord here if you wanted to hang a carabiner and hang it from your pack as well. So this is a nice little hammock to lounge around at the campsite with, and you can even sleep with it at night. If you like to go hammock camping, you could possibly do that with this as well. Looks like it also has a lifetime guarantee. It says if it breaks, we replace it. So pretty cool. All right, so opening this up a little bit, you can see you have your nice hammock here. It looks like a really nice color blue with some green accents here. And the ends here, you also have these carabiners to go ahead and hang it up there. So pretty nice hammock here. I'm excited to get that and test this out. Looks like the stuff sack is attached to the hammock. So if you lose stuff sacks, it's nice because this is gonna be attached, so no worry to lose it. Nomadik says this new premium hammock that packs down smaller than your average hammock is lightweight and made of ripstop fabric. And this hammock is durable, soft, and breathable to provide matchless comfort to every adventurer. The weatherproof fabric makes this hammock for even most rugged travel. The best part is it has quick and easy setup thanks to the two sturdy carabiners attached. This sells new for $69.95. All right, to go along with the hammock, you also have these ground trunk straps. These are obviously going to pair up with the hammock so you can hang it around the trees pretty easily. It says these are quick and easy setup and has a total of 36 adjustment points. These will hold up to 400 pounds. So 400 pounds for these. The Trunk Tech hammock said it can hold up to 500 pounds. So pretty crazy. So these also have a nice little stuff sack for these as well. And you can see just by looking at these, they're about an inch of webbing here, and Looks like they'll be pretty sturdy. You can go ahead and attach that carabiner to this as well. And they're relatively long. It looks like they're 10 feet long per strap, and it's relatively light. They come in a total of 12 ounces. So together with your hammock plus this, you're just a little over a pound and a half for that entire setup, which is pretty great. Nomadik says, sit back and take in the view from anywhere with these tree-friendly suspension straps. The 36 adjustment points, 18 on each side. The straps allow you to make micro hammock adjustments, giving you the perfect hang. Each strap is 10 feet long, giving you 20 total feet to work with. Made of superior 1-inch webbing, these straps work with almost any hammock. Just insert a carabiner or hook into one of the 18 adjustment points and you'll be relaxing in no time. All right, so the next thing we have here is the Empowered Lukey Pro Series Outdoor 2.0. This is an inflatable solar light here for camping, and looks like it is a pretty nice light. You have your little cord here to go ahead and charge it up. Looks like USB. So went ahead and blew this up, and as you can see, it pumps up pretty nicely. It's a little hard at first to get it started, but once you get started, it's fairly easy. So as you can see, you have your light. Let's go ahead and see if there's any power on this. Yep. So there's your light here, and you have 3 different settings, it looks like, and then looks like you have a flash setting as well. So pretty cool, and you can go ahead and charge it with your solar panel here. And you also have this insert here to where you can plug in your USB and also use it as a power bank. You can also charge it by plugging in your USB as well. But you can use this to charge your phone, and pretty nice to have that solar power strip here to go ahead and charge it up. So if you're out in the backcountry, something happens, your power bank dies, you have this as a nice backup as well. This light will shine up to 150 lumens and it will last up to 50 hours on a single charge. It's relatively compact and it weighs 5.5 ounces. And the nice thing about this is it's actually waterproof. It has IP67 waterproof rating as well. So that's what this inflatable nature does. And as you have these openings here, it protects the USB cord as well, to where if you are getting water, just close that and now you're completely waterproof. You have one fixed loop here that you can go ahead and strap anything. And then you have an adjustment loop on this one here where you can strap it, and then you can use this other one here, and it can also hang a little bit more. So you can get a really tight hang, or you can get a little bit looser hang as well. Nomadik says, power up with this 150 lumen solar light. This lantern will keep your campsite lit for up to 50 hours on a single charge, and features a built-in phone charger in case you get in a bind. You can change the vibe with a simple click. Explore further and relax better with this compact solar lantern, rechargeable via solar panel or USB. So definitely a pretty cool light. I can see some uses for this out at the campsite, especially if you're overlanding camping. You can go ahead and hang it from your car, and even if it rains, you're covered with a nice little light here. This sells new for $49.95. All right, so here is the camp pillow. It's the regular size. It's called the Drift Camping Pillow. So really cool if you like to sleep outside. You have a nice compact pillow with this strap. Okay, so here's your pillow. You can open it up like this, and it looks pretty comfortable. So here's your outer sheet here. So this is what you're going to use while you're traveling. It's a little bit rougher, but it's water repellent, and it's not going to be hard to clean for that. Now, if you want to switch it, you just flip this over, and you can see you have your cloth, and this is super soft here, this cloth setting. So what you would do is then you just go ahead and move your pillow down into that area, and then flip this back over. So now you have a nice soft pillow, and this is a lot more comfortable than that orange coating for that. But the orange is what's going to use it for while you're traveling. Keep it nice and clean. When you're ready to sleep, just turn it over and you have a nice clean pillow ready to sleep on. So when it's all laid out like this, it measures up to 18 inches by 12 inches by 5.5 inches. It can pack down when it's all said and done. It can pack down with this little strap here to 11 inches by 5 inches by 5 inches. So it makes it really convenient to travel. It's a bit heavy if you ask me for backpacking. It comes in at 19 ounces, so over a pound for just a pillow. But for overlanding or just some simple camping, this will do really nicely as well. Nomadik says, find the perfect balance of support and comfort on the go with this shredded memory foam pillow. This versatile pillow easily morphs from travel-friendly use to a soft jersey cotton inner pillowcase when you remove the shell. Perfect for every type of adventurer, the shell is durable, easy to clean, and water resistant. This pillow packs down small and easy for travel and maximum comfort. This pillow sells new for $54.99. All right, the next product is the Sun Company Camping with Sasquatch card game. So this is pretty interesting considering it's backpacking equipment box, but you do get kind of this backpacking themed game, so pretty neat. All right, so here is that game here, and as you can see, it comes with instructions, and this turns into, looks like a little cool poster here. So instructions on the back, poster on the other side there. So, and then here are your card games here. So a pretty neat little game here. It says it's actually like a quick rummy meets slapjack game for the whole family and includes 128 cards. It weighs in at 10.4 ounces, so something I probably won't take backpacking, but for car camping, overlanding, or just taking to have a game to play with the family, this is a pretty nice game here. Nomadik says this lighthearted family card game can be described as rummy meets slapjack. Use Sasquatch as the wild card and unleash Sasquatch on your friends. Pull out this game on the next camping trip and find 128 cards and a rule book for 2 to 8 players. So pretty neat family game. I want to have fun at the campsite. This will go in my overlanding setup here. Most likely not the backpacking because at 10 ounces can't really justify that for a card game, but it's pretty neat to have a nice friendly fun game, especially living in the Pacific Northwest where there's a lot of themes and claims of Sasquatch. Sasquatch card game will surely get the interest going at that. All right, the next thing we have here is the Ursa Major Effortless Essential Discovery Kit. This is a skincare kit, so we'll go ahead and open this up and check out what's inside. So it looks like some samples of some wipes here as well as some face wash. So pretty neat. And more wipes here. And then this one here is a golden hour recovery cream. So pretty neat. If you like skincare, this is a nice product. I'd probably give to my wife or something like that. When I'm out in the backcountry, I just kind of rough it, and my cleaning is usually a lake. But this is nice if you want to be particularly clean, have some nice face wash. You can go ahead and take this to car camping or overlanding. It's a nice thing to keep on hand. Nomadik says stay clean so you can relax better with Ursa Major's Foaming Fantastic Face Wash, Nourishing Golden Hour Recovery Cream, and Cleansing Essential Face Wipes, all in one convenient kit. Ursa Major Clean Skincare features lightweight textures and refreshing natural aromas for a healthy mountain glow. The Effortless Essential Kit sells new for $15. All right, and last but not least, we have our Nomadik sticker. So this is nice. They went ahead and gave us a little bit bigger sticker than they did last time. So that's nice, and I like the variety that Nomadik does. All right, so concluding thoughts for the Cozy Camper quarterly box. Overall, I think it's a nice box. I really like the hammock and the trunk straps along with the pillow. Those will all go together nicely. Also, the light is pretty cool. I haven't seen a light like that, so really nice features, a little bit different than other lights like that I have, like headlamps. The Sasquatch game is something that's kind of neat to have, something that I don't really would see with camping, but and also the skincare products. So those are two products I probably wouldn't use as much, but those two total only come up to about $39. Now, I added up the value for all these things and it's $244.83. So you're only paying $149. So for the hammock and the pillow and the trunk straps, you already have your money there. So you're saving a total of $95. So a pretty good deal. So as you think of the Cozy Camper quarterly subscription box from Nomadik, leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts. What are the gear in here would you most likely use? If you like what you saw, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe for more unboxing content like this. And as always, thanks for watching.